Hey guys, I'm about to show you how to create an ultra-real talking avatar that will increase your viewer retention rate if you have a faceless channel. The first 30 seconds is when most people will click off your videos, and what better way to keep your viewers engaged than with a talking avatar? This will keep them entertained instead of just starting your videos off with a screen recording. So let's take a look at my laptop and see how I did this.
Alright guys, so in order to make one of these high quality avatars, what I want you to do is come over to this website right here where it says Microsoft Designer. So we're just going to click on that. So this is how you're going to be able to create a high quality image for your avatar completely for free. And then you could turn it into a talking avatar later with another tool that I'm going to show you how to use. So once you come onto this website, what I want you to do is scroll down and click on Image Creator. And now you're just going to go ahead and put in a prompt of the character that you want. Alright, so I'm going to go with this prompt. And some of the keywords that I'm using are the 4K photo. That way it's going to create a really realistic looking image of a person, because we want something that looks 4K. So as you can see, this is a pretty high quality image, but we might want to go ahead and generate some new ones just because I want his whole head within the frame. Okay guys, so these look pretty good. This one looks pretty good because he's making really good eye contact. This one's making good eye contact too, so we could use either one of these, but I'll just go ahead and use this one. And once you generate the image that you like, go ahead and click on download. Now the next step is that we want to make this a widescreen image. That way later when we turn it into a talking avatar, it's going to be the right dimensions to create like a YouTube video, and we can use this as a intro to our faceless channel. If you have a faceless channel, this is going to be a way to be able to have a more engaging first 30 seconds of your video, because that's when the majority of people drop off from the video. So that way, if we create an introduction that we can use on basically all of our faceless videos, we can use the same introduction. It's just going to be a talking avatar that welcomes people into the channel. They might feel a little bit more engaged with the video because it looks as if they're seeing someone talking to them. So the next tool that I'm going to use is going to be this tool called Prom AI. And when you scroll down, you're going to see a tool that's called outpainting. We're going to click on this tool. And the reason we need to use this is because we need to create a wider image, because Bing gives us a square image and what we need is a widescreen image. Let me just show you how this works. When you're under outpainting, you're just going to go ahead and upload the image that we just downloaded from Bing. So here is the image. Now in order to turn this into a widescreen image, it's super simple. So you just hover your mouse over here where it says scale, and then you're going to come up to this right here where it says 16:9 and just go ahead and click on that. You can put in a prompt if you want to see specific things where it's generating, but for me, I don't even put in a prompt because I just want it to go based off of this image. I just want it to expand it basically. So I'm not going to put any prompt. I'm just going to go ahead and click generate. And now as you could see, it has turned our image into a widescreen image. So the next step is to just go ahead and download. You need to be a paid user to download the HD versions. So I'm just going to go ahead and download the preview. And now I'll show you, since the preview is only 682 by 383, it's a very small image. I'm going to show you how to upscale that for free. So I'm just going to come over to the next website, which is called DGB.lol. So the first time that I used this website, it looked sketchy. It looks like it's like homemade or something with a bunch of ads on it and whatever, but all these tools are free. They got like 2 different paid tools, but I never use those. I only use the free tools. What we need to do is upscale the image. We can either click on quick upscaler, or we can click on this first one, AI image upscaler. This one's going to be able to make your image from 2x all the way up to 8x. And this quicker one will be able to go all the way up to 4x. Alright, so that's plenty for us. So I'm just going to click on quick upscaler. And I'm going to upload that image that we just downloaded. And right here, I'm going to select 4x. Now what you need to do is download that upscaled image. And now we're going to come over to the next website that's going to turn our picture into a talking avatar. So here is the website. It's called HeyGen, and we're going to click on photo avatar. Let's click on upload talking photo, since we already have the picture that we're going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture. So there's our picture. Now what we need to do is go ahead and click on it. We're going to click on create video and click on landscape. Okay guys, now resize our image. And now that our image is resized, we can just go ahead and put in our prompt. If you guys want to create a talking avatar that you can use over and over in all your videos, what I would do is just create an intro script. Something similar to like, hey, welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started, or something similar. So that's just one little strategy. So let's go ahead and create this. Now, once we put in our little script, what I'm going to do is come over here to the voices. And what you want to do is go ahead and select a voice, but just make sure that this little diamond isn't on there, because then you're going to have to pay for that voice. Find a voice that you like, that sounds pretty good to you.
This is how I sound. Hope you like it.
All right, so I'll just go ahead with this one. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Now you can also mess with the speed and the pitch. So if you want them to talk a little bit faster or slower, or if you want a higher or lower pitch, you can go ahead and mess with that.
Hey guys, I'm about to show you how to create an ultra-real talking avatar.
So now once you have chosen your voice and you've uploaded your script, then we're going to go ahead and create this avatar. Head up to the top where you see submit and just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, when you first sign up for HeyGen, you get 1 credit. And the credits needed to create this video is 0.5. So basically you get 1 minute free of video. And if you create something that's under 30 seconds, you only use a half a credit. So if you make something that's like 20 seconds long, they're going to round it up automatically to 30 seconds. And then they'll give you 1 more 30-second video for free. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit. And now you could see the progress that it's making. So it's at 11%. So I'll just come back when this video is ready just to show you how it turns out. All right, guys, as you could see, the video is now finished. So we'll check it out now.
Hey guys, I'm about to show you how to create an ultra-real talking avatar that will increase your viewer retention rate if you have a faceless channel. The first 30 seconds is when most people will click off your videos, and what better way to keep your viewers engaged than with a talking avatar? This will keep them entertained instead of just starting your videos off with a screen recording. So let's take a look at my laptop and see how I did this.
Okay guys, so I think that looks really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this. Now just like that, I was able to create a completely free talking avatar. And like I said before, guys, this is a great strategy. If you want to create an intro to your channel, if you have a faceless channel, now you can put a face to that channel. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you create a free talking avatar, and you can create an intro to your faceless channel, and you'll never have to pay $1 for it. I hope you liked the video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.